Welcome to this tutorial on how to delete multiple chat messages on the WhatsApp app for PC. Whether you're tidying up your conversations or removing specific messages, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. Let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp app on your PC. Make sure it is up to date to access the latest features. Once the app is open, navigate to the chat where you want to delete multiple messages. This could be a group chat or a personal conversation. Next, right-click on any message within the chat. A menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select Select. This action will enable you to choose multiple messages for deletion. Now, click on all the messages you want to delete. You can select as many as you need by simply clicking on each message. Once you've made your selections, look for the delete icon, usually represented by a trash can or bin symbol, and click on it. A confirmation prompt will appear asking if you're sure about deleting the selected messages. Confirm your choice by clicking Delete. And just like that, the messages will be removed from the chat. This feature is incredibly useful for decluttering your chats and keeping your conversations organized. Whether you're clearing old messages or removing unnecessary ones, these steps make it quick and easy. Thank you for following along. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to share it with others who might find it useful. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to enhance your WhatsApp experience.